what's going on, guys? That's Club 69, aka Alejandro here with another review. And today we got a quick one. Got the particle beige slash black women's Jordan 1 mid, better known probably as a Canyon Rust because of the color. Let's get right into the details and the review. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, ladies, maybe hopefully I'll finally get a female viewer, because right now it's always been 100% male viewers. But yeah, I got two boxes right here. Bought one for my daughter and me. Just kidding, I don't have a daughter, for my significant other. Got two boxes right here, as you can see. Huge size difference. And yeah, of course I don't discriminate if I bought them for myself on the mids, especially in a fucking fire ass colorway like this. Let's check out this, man. Oof, fire colorway. But yeah, I got two of them. They were popular with the ladies, I guess, because my girl wears size 5 and I had to get her on stock eggs. Because they ran out on her size ASAP when I was trying to get them on the Nike app, not the sneakers app, just the Nike app. And I was able to get mine because women don't typically wear a 11.5 in their size. So there were still few. I was able to cop them. I think they're sold out. They're not even on the website anymore, on the app, I don't think. But yeah, let's get right into the details. Not really much on the details, just they come in this white box, the women's box. I noticed they do a lot for the women's shoes. The golden 23, and that was it. No extra pair of laces or anything like that, just the shoes. They are labeled as particle beige black, but everybody's calling them Canyon Rust. As you can see, rusty looking canyon colors. I like that color better. First big detail I noticed on these is the suede right here. Is a little bit of rougher suede, pinkish, and then you got the Nike sign. Looks like denim, but it's not denim. It's like a plasticky feel. I'm not exactly sure what it is. Leather embossed, or I don't know. It's slick. Then you got nubuck or suede. This is super soft right here. So is this right here, the ankle. Got the Air Jordan. This is also super soft right here, same color as that. Like a little bit darker pink, maybe almost a red. Got the black. The black is also super soft. Regular black laces. Then your Jumpman logo. I don't know what it looks like on camera, but right here it looks infrared, almost pinkish infrared. And you got the solid colored sole. That's what I like about these, the solid colored soles. I feel like that gives the shoe a different style, a different look, a whole new life. For some reason, mids with the black bottom sole look weird to me. A little weird, but the high tops look fine. But these, that they're mids and have a solid sole, pretty fire. Not a huge difference between these and those. I'm gonna count the shoelace holes. They got the same amount of shoelace holes. They got that everything is pretty much the same. On these, just the size. It's just fucking hilarious size difference. But yeah, that's pretty much it on the details of the shoe. You've seen them. Got the Wings logo. Give you an all around. Just a nice looking shoe. Nice looking mid. I love the colorway. I fell in love with it. I got them because of the colorway. I mean, I don't discriminate mids. But yeah, let's get to what they look like on feet real quick. Just really quick, guys, forgot to add this in the video. The shoes do run true to size. Men, you're obviously gonna have to find it in your size for women, but women, the shoe does run true to size. I didn't even stand up for these, as like I said, just a little quick review. I doubt there's anybody searching these up right now, and if there is, I got y'all. Just wanted to let y'all know how fire these are for my subscribers. But yeah, this is what they look like on feet. Sweats on, joggers, jeans, man, these are rockable. They're ones. You figure it out. You got good ideas, comment your Instagram name down below, or Check in my description for all my social media. Let me know what y'all think. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the video. Don't forget to dislike if you dislike the video. Don't forget to talk shit in the comments if I did something wrong according to you. Just be nice in the comments, because YouTube does ban comments with curse words for some reason, even if they're not at me or at anybody. Use good language. I don't have control over that. I wish I could. I would leave them all up, but YouTube takes them down. And that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See y'all next time.